Hi guys, this is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and in this video, just like I promised you before, I will show you how you can start your own business or at least make some extra money from the products that you already have and hopefully enjoy. Maybe some of those products you received as gifts recently for Christmas, maybe something that you bought yourself as a gift. As I did for myself, but I'm just gonna give you a few examples of some of the products that I have that I recently received as gifts, and one as I bought for myself. And at the end of the video, the most important thing that I would want you to take away is how exactly you can start a business with these products, and the only way you will be able to do that, the only way you will be able to make money with this with the products that you have or products that you were given before. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. First, let me show you this product that I actually bought myself for Christmas as a present. As you might know, one of my businesses that I have, that I personally run, is called Extra Hyperactive Fitness. It's a fitness system that I created for people just like me, people who are diagnosed with mental disorders such as depression, bipolar, ADHD, or anxiety. And my system consists of yoga, kettlebells, kickboxing, and outdoor activities. And even though I personally teach kickboxing, I also train in boxing. So recently I was at one boxing gym where I overheard the coach talking to a new student, and the student asked him about where he could buy a decent pair of gloves and boxing shoes. And the coach said, "Oh, just go online and Google Titled Boxing, you know, the brand for this shoes." And this is something that I've heard before many times from business owners. And when somebody asks them, "Hey, where can I buy this product or that product?" something that, you know, this student would see in the gym, and instead of referring those students to their website or to their blog where the student could find a product, click on the link, buy it, and the business owner would make a commission, it just never happens. Instead, they send them, go online and find this product, not realizing that they're leaving a lot of money on the table, right? So the reason why I brought up this product, if you are into boxing, right, this one product is your opportunity to start making money just with this product. Maybe add like boxing gloves, wraps, you know, meats and stuff like this, and you already have an online business. You know, just promoting these products can get you started with a passive income. It's not going to be a whole lot, but it's a start. And after that, the opportunities are endless. You know, you can start teaching your own classes. You can do lead generation marketing for other business owners to bring them more clients for their gyms, and so on and so forth. But just one product can either make you some extra money or even will allow you to start your own business. So let's have a look at another product that we got. This is the one that I got here. I don't know. You can see it. It's an airsoft gun I got for Christmas for my son. He's 10 years old, almost 11, and he was really into Nerf guns before. And this is our second gun. The first gun, when we bought about 3 years ago, it was really cheap. We got it on Craigslist. I didn't know anything about airsoft guns, so I bought it from Craigslist because it was just cheap. Just for us to play and to learn more. Literally in 2 weeks, that gun broke down, and we didn't really have time or intention to go into that niche in airsoft product niche. So I didn't have a chance until recently, right? He really asked for airsoft, so instead of buying it online, I went to a store. I found just one store where I could buy this gun. Again, I didn't do any research or anything. I just bought this gun to learn more about airsoft, about the products. And when I did a little bit of research, I realized that this type of guns could be found on Amazon for half the price. I overpriced. So definitely I'm gonna return this to the store, and I'm gonna buy two instead and learn more about airsoft. Again, just one product, right? One product can start a business, right? Or at least something on the side to make some money. Promoting airsoft, there are tons of different toys, tons of different airsoft products that you can promote and make money. And like I said, if later on, if you're really into airsoft, you can start your own business. Like I said, before we used to go to a Nerf guns club. And I know that there are a lot of airsoft clubs too. You can start your own, or you can again do lead generation marketing for those clubs to bring them more members, or just promote these products and make money. Like I said, a really great niche, but again, you need to know. Next one is really excited about. This is a drone. This is our first drone, right? Again, we didn't know anything about these products, so we actually asked for this gift. So somebody gave us as a gift, and we're gonna use it. We're gonna learn about drones. As you might know, drone videography right now is very popular, it's very huge. And again, like I said, there are many opportunities. For once again, you can just promote these drones and make money with affiliate marketing, or you can, if you're really into videography, if you know anything about videography and drones, then you can start your own video company, like marketing company, or creating video for small businesses, and so on and so forth. But again, it's a great product. There are tons of different products to promote and make money, and different opportunities. Last one, I'm gonna have a look. This is goggles, Scott goggles, that again we got as a gift for my son. This year he's studying snowboarding, he getting more into snowboarding. So we asked for goggles, and somebody bought us Scott goggles. Again, we asked for something cheap, but if you know anything about snowboarding and Scott brand, it's quite expensive. Something like this costs about $40, $50, $60 and up. And again, this is just a kid's model. And because of the price, because of the brand, it's a great product to promote and make money. If you're into snowboarding, if you know anything about snowboarding, it's a great way to start your business. Again, you can start with just goggles, add helmets, and after that, the opportunities are limitless. You can start teaching snowboarding classes. You can do lead generation marketing even for the resorts, you know, and so on and so forth. Many different opportunities. But the most important thing that I want you to take away from this video, and this is the most important, the only way, and I repeat, the only way you will make money in affiliate marketing, promoting products like this, is only if you have knowledge, experience, and expertise in these niches. If you have knowledge about these products. In other words, let's say if you want to promote and make money with boxing products, but you don't know anything about boxing, chances are it's not going to work out for you. The same with any other product that I've just showed you. If you want to start your own website or your own blog about airsoft, there are lots of products, lots of opportunities, but you don't know anything about airsoft, you've never played airsoft, then chances are you're never gonna make any money. The same with drones or snowboarding. If you don't know anything about this industry, these niches, the products, the companies in these niches, then chances are there's no way you will make any money. And also, on the other hand, again, it's kind of downer, but even if you have knowledge and experience, let's say about boxing, right? And you're like, you know what, I like boxing, I know a lot about products, I train in boxing, I want to start my own business, I want to start my own website or my blog, but you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, about online business, about blogging, about email marketing, about search engine optimization, and so on and so forth. Chances are, again, you're not going to make a whole lot of money. You will, unlike other people, unlike people who have no experience at all, you will be able to make some because you have experience. But to actually create a successful business, it's not enough. So you need to have the knowledge about your niche, about the products and companies in that niche, but you also need to have knowledge, experience, and expertise about marketing, business, and branding, especially branding. You know, because there are a lot of people who are trying to do exactly the same. A lot of people who like boxing or kickboxing, and they're trying to promote the same products. A lot of people who try to promote airsoft products and make money. But they don't make money because even though they have experience, knowledge, and expertise about these products, they don't know any knowledge about business, marketing, and branding. And that's exactly what we are trying to do here with Extra Hyperactive Brand. We're trying, first of all, to find people who are truly passionate about travel or the outdoor activities or fitness, people who already have that passion, because we believe, I personally believe, that if you have a passion, right, you dedicate a lot of time to that passion, and by that you gain a lot of knowledge, experience, and expertise. In other words, if you already passionate about boxing, if you know a lot about boxing, about products in this niche, then it will be much easier for you to start. You already have a passion. All you have to do right now is to learn about business, marketing, and branding. Put it all together and you have a full-time business, a great profitable business. But I personally believe that it all starts with the passion. If you have passion, you have knowledge, experience, expertise. Now just learn about business, marketing, and branding, and you will be good to go. So hopefully, I really hope that it makes sense, and it doesn't. I won't blame you with my broken English. It's really hard sometimes to understand me. I do a little bit better in writing or talking in person. Again, as you know, this whole live videos and creating videos is quite new for me. I'm still new. I'm still learning, but at the same time, I believe that it's more personal than writing blog posts or exchanging messages. But again, the best way, I believe, is when we talk in person. So hopefully later on we will have those Q&A sessions, or we'll have maybe, like before we did Google Hangouts. Something happened with that app. I think they Google redid it, but before we had great experience with just like having 5-6 people at the same time and just talking, but as always, if you miss the live video, and I don't make any announcement about my upcoming live videos because I don't want you to sit and wait for me. So if you come across this video and you have a question later on, just post in our Facebook group or contact me directly, and I will be more than happy to help you in any way possible. So thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.